Most people are using AI completely wrong. They open a chatbot, ask a few random questions, maybe generate a paragraph or two, and that's it. Meanwhile, other people are quietly using one AI tool to write content, automate work, land freelance clients, build digital products, and create income streams from a laptop. And one of the biggest tools making that happen right now is Claude AI. But here's the interesting part. Most beginners still have no idea what Claude is actually good at. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you simple ways beginners are already using Claude to save time, create content faster, and start making money online without being some AI expert or programmer. And trust me, one of these methods is way easier than people think. Claude has quietly become one of the most powerful AI tools for writing, brainstorming, organizing information, and handling large amounts of text. That last part matters more than people realize. Because unlike a lot of AI tools that start struggling when you dump in huge amounts of information, Claude is surprisingly good at handling long documents, detailed workflows, scripts, PDFs, notes, and complicated prompts. And that creates opportunities, especially for beginners. Now, before we jump into the money-making side, let's simplify what Claude actually is. Claude is an AI assistant created by Anthropic. Think of it like a super intelligent work assistant. You can ask it questions, you can have it write content, you can upload documents, you can organize ideas, you can build systems with it. And honestly, one reason people are starting to like Claude so much is because the writing often feels more natural and cleaner compared to a lot of AI tools, especially for long-form content. Now here's where beginners usually mess up. They think AI makes money automatically. It doesn't. AI speeds up work. That's the difference. The people winning with AI are using it to complete tasks faster, create more content, improve productivity, or solve problems for other people. That's where the money comes from. So let's break down a few realistic ways beginners can start using Claude right now. The first method is probably the easiest: freelance writing and content creation. And before you click off thinking, freelance writing is dead, it's actually evolving. Businesses still need blog posts. They still need emails. They still need social media captions. They still need YouTube scripts. And now AI lets beginners produce work dramatically faster. Here's a simple example. Let's say a small business owner needs 5 Instagram captions promoting their product. Before AI, a beginner freelancer might spend hours trying to write them. With Claude, you can generate ideas, rewrite drafts, improve tone, and create multiple versions in minutes. Now, obviously, don't just copy and paste raw AI text. That's another mistake beginners make. The money is in editing and improving the output. AI gives you the first draft. You shape it into something useful. That's the skill. And here's something most people don't know. A lot of clients don't actually care if you use AI. They care about the result. If the work is good, delivered fast, and solves their problem, that's what matters. Now imagine stacking that across blog writing, email marketing, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, and website copy. That's where Claude becomes powerful, especially because it handles long-form writing really well. And here's where it gets interesting. You can also use Claude to create digital products. This is one of the fastest-growing beginner AI opportunities right now. Digital products are things like ebooks, templates, guides, planners, checklists, prompts, or downloadable resources people can buy online. And Claude can help speed up almost every part of the process. Let's say you want to create a beginner fitness guide. You could ask Claude to help organize the structure, generate meal ideas, create workout sections, write summaries, even help format lesson ideas. Now again, you still want to edit things yourself. But instead of spending weeks building something from scratch, You could potentially create your first product in a day or two. And platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website make it easier than ever to sell digital products. Now pause for a second, because this next part is where a lot of people miss the bigger opportunity. Most beginners are thinking too small with AI. They're focused on one prompt, one answer, one random task. The smarter approach is building systems. Here's an example. Imagine using Claude to help write YouTube scripts, then using another AI tool to generate voiceovers, another AI tool for editing, and another for thumbnails. That's an AI-powered workflow. That's how creators are producing content at scale now. And the same thing applies to businesses. Small businesses are overwhelmed right now. They need help writing emails, creating marketing content, responding to customers, organizing information, building documents, and many of them don't understand AI at all. That creates opportunity for beginners willing to learn simple workflows. Even something as basic as helping a local business create weekly social media posts using Claude can become a service. Now let me show you one practical workflow beginners could use immediately. Step 1. Choose one simple service. Don't try to master everything at once. Maybe it's blog writing. Maybe it's YouTube scripts. Maybe it's email newsletters. Keep it focused. Step 2. Use Claude to speed up research and first drafts. For example, if you're writing a YouTube script about fitness trends, Claude can organize talking points, summarize information, and help structure the content. Step 3. Edit heavily. This part matters. Add personality. Add real examples. Shorten weak sections. Improve flow. Human editing is still valuable. And honestly, that's one reason a lot of AI content still fails. People rely too much on raw outputs. Step 4. Package the service professionally. Even beginners can create a clean Fiverr profile, Upwork profile, or simple portfolio. And because AI speeds up production, you can often complete work faster than traditional beginners. Now, here's a surprising insight most people don't realize yet. AI is actually making communication skills more valuable, not less valuable. Because the people getting the best results from tools like Claude are usually the people who know how to explain ideas clearly. That means if you can communicate well, structure ideas, understand audiences, or tell stories, AI amplifies those skills. It doesn't replace them. And that's why channels teaching AI for beginners are exploding right now. People don't just want tools. They want practical workflows. They want shortcuts. They want clarity. Now, another underrated way people are using Claude is for automation and organization, especially solo entrepreneurs. For example, you can upload meeting notes and have Claude summarize them. You can organize messy research, create outlines, build SOPs, rewrite complicated information into simpler language. And businesses pay for organization, a lot more than people think, especially when it saves them time. Now let's do a quick reality check. You are probably not going to get rich overnight using Claude. And honestly, that mindset hurts a lot of beginners. The real advantage is leverage. Claude helps one person do the work of multiple people faster. That's the shift happening right now. And the people learning these tools early are building an advantage that compounds over time. Especially creators, especially freelancers, especially small businesses. Now, before we wrap up, let me give you one final beginner strategy. Don't spend the next 6 months watching AI videos without taking action. Pick one thing, one workflow, one service, one experiment. Maybe you create your first AI-assisted ebook. Maybe you offer YouTube script writing. Maybe you start helping local businesses with content. The key is actually using the tool. Because once you start combining AI with real-world skills, that's when things begin to click. And honestly, we're still early. A lot of people are hearing about AI. Very few are learning how to use it strategically. That gap creates opportunity. So if you've been curious about Claude, now is probably the perfect time to start experimenting with it. Learn the basics, build a workflow, test ideas, and most importantly, focus on solving real problems for real people. That's where the money usually is. And in future videos, we're going to break down more beginner-friendly AI workflows, tools, and strategies that can actually help you save time, build skills, and create income opportunities in the real world. Because this space is moving fast, and the people learning it now are putting themselves ahead of the curve.